Today's race, Jungle Rally. Try not to eat anything.
Ooh, what's that golden stuff on the road?
That's honey, Rex. That's very sticky honey.
Crusher. More honey. All over the road. Now.
Ooh, I love honey. Can I lick the bucket?
Pour it. Don't lick it. Pour the honey.
Pour and lick. Great idea, Blade.
Go.
Full speed into the goo. My wheels aren't wheeling anymore.
I told you it was sticky. Now we're all stuck.
Ha. Stuck like bugs. Now I just cruise right past. Wait. Wait. My tires. No.
Blade, you're stuck too. Now we're all friends stuck together.
We are not friends. We are stuck. There's a difference.
4 racers, 0 moving. This is a new record.
How do we get unstuck?
Ooh, maybe if I bounce really hard.
New rules. Shortest stuck distance wins.
That's not a real rule. You just made that up.
I'm the referee. All my rules are real.
I only went this far. See? Barely moved.
Crusher, you poured the honey on yourself.
I know. It tastes amazing.
Crusher wins. Shortest distance, 0. He never left the start.
I won? By not moving? That's my best skill.
This is the worst day of my entire life.
I don't know, Blade. The honey tastes pretty good.
Can someone please call a tow truck?
Next week, no food on the track. I'm banning food. Desert Canyon Race. Stay on the road this time.
Crusher. Attach the rockets. Both sides. Now.
Rockets. Ooh, the red ones or the big red ones?
The big ones. Obviously. Maximum power.
Rockets on a canyon road? That's insane, Blade.
Rockets? Oh, I want rockets. Do you have extra rockets?
Nobody needs extra rockets. Nobody needs any rockets.
Go.
Maximum thrust. Too much thrust. Too much thrust. No.
Blades flying. That's the coolest thing ever.
Cars shouldn't fly, Rex. That's not how cars work.
Is Blade a bird now? Birds fly. Blade's flying.
He's off the track by approximately 3 miles.
Crusher. You put them on upside down.
You said the big ones. You didn't say which way up. Here comes Rex. Almost there.
Rex is gonna win by just driving normally?
Rex wins. First place by being the only one left.
I won. Wait, where is everybody?
I'm on a cactus. A very tall cactus. Help.
Ooh, Blade's on a tree. A pokey tree.
It's a cactus. and it hurts. Get me down.
Maybe next time skip the rockets?
The rockets were fine. The installation was the problem.
I won by going slow. That's never happened before. Can Blade live on the cactus? He looks happy up there.
Next week, no rockets, no jets, no propulsion of any kind. Beach race, and someone installed a bubble machine.
Bubble machine? I have no idea who put that there.
Bubbles. I love bubbles. Can I pop them?
Those bubbles are huge, like car-sized huge.
Ooh, that bubble has a rainbow in it.
Those bubbles lift things, light things, like little buggies.
Why are you looking at me when you say that?
Go.
A bubble's got me. It's got me.
Haha, one down. Now to cruise to victory.
I can see my house from here. Put me down.
Ziggy's a balloon. Best race ever. Ooh, I want to be a balloon too. Pop, pop, pop.
Crusher, stop. Those are my sabotage bubbles.
Poppy, poppy, pop. This is the best game.
My bubble's losing air. I'm coming down.
Crusher popped all of them. Every single one. The soap, I'm sliding.
The track is now a slip and slide. Perfect.
Whee! Sliding is even better than driving.
I'm back on the ground. Sweet, beautiful ground.
Ziggy, you're back. Was the sky nice? Were there birds?
There were no birds. There was only screaming.
Crusher wins. He popped every bubble and crossed the finish.
I was racing. I thought we were playing pop.
My own bubbles. Beaten by my own bubbles.
Can we do the bubble slide again? Please?
I am never going near a bubble again. Ever.
Next week, indoor track. Nothing floats, nothing pops, nothing flies.